First, open your Fusion. Then, go to the Insert menu at the top. From the drop-down, click on Insert Mesh. Now select your STL file from your computer. Once selected, you'll see it appear in your workspace. Now, set the unit type. In this example, we'll use inches. After that, center the model in the workspace, and move it down so it sits directly on the ground plane. Next, switch to the Mesh tab at the top. Click on Prepare, and choose Generate Face Groups. In the dialog box that appears, set the type to Accurate, and change the maximum edge length to 0.001. Click OK to generate the face groups. This may take a few seconds, but the result will be much more precise. Once that's done, go to Modify, and click on Convert Mesh. For the operation, choose Parametric. Then, set the method to Prismatic. Click OK. Now, your mesh has been successfully converted into a fully editable solid model inside Fusion. You can now create sketches, apply features, and use all solid modeling tools on your part.